Clayton walks in like he owns the room, yells pickleback shots like it's high noon. We all groan loud, he's not listening, already pouring like it's his thing. We're trying to play cards, just keep it chill, but he slams it back like it's pure free will. We're saying, bro, you're wild, please stop, but he's lining up another shot. One slip, one spill, then everyone snaps. Pickle juice raining on the blackjack mats. Pickleback attack, now the whole room's wrecked. Clayton's laughing hard, we're gagging to death. Pickleback attack, yeah, it hits like a slap, and he's the only one alive who likes that crap. Pickleback attack, we all step back. He shrugs like, boys, it's just a snack. Pickleback attack, someone call for help. That brine's a crime all by itself. Tom covers his nose, says he might pass out. Noah's by the door yelling, I'm tapping out. Alex waves his hand like he's clearing the air. Lucas says, bro, I'm not sitting there. Clayton's wiping it up with a cheap napkin, smearing the smell deeper in the fabric. We're trying to keep playing, trying to stay calm, but it's like the whole room turned into Vietnam. We're losing our minds, but Clayton just laughs, says real men drink and spill picklebacks. Pickleback attack, now the whole room's wrecked. Clayton's laughing hard, we're gagging to death. Pickleback attack, yeah, it hits like a slap, and he's the only one alive who likes that crap. Pickleback attack, we all step back. He shrugs like, boys, it's just a snack. Pickleback attack, someone call for help. That brine's a crime all by itself. Oh, he pops another top. We're begging Clayton, dude, please stop, but he's grinning wide, he's on the attack, yells bottoms up, Pickleback attack, yeah, the smell comes back. We're all losing sanity, we'll never get back. Pickleback attack, Clayton stands there proud, raised his glass high like he's cheering the crowd. Pickleback attack, we all